The MAT Level 1 course is going to take you on a journey over 8 weeks of how to improve your assessment of the whole body. You can learn from the comfort of your own home how to utilise over 30 new assessments, utilise the objective data and your free MAT.
We're also going to teach you our go-to movement interventions as you consume the content over weekly modules that are presented to you in an online platform. So techniques that you can use so that you can see improvement in how the people that you work with move. This also includes access to our MAT assessment sheet to help streamline your assessment processes to make it easier to be able to collect objective and actionable data.
Using the MAT, you'll be able to quickly and easily set baseline measures, track progression of your patients and clients over time, and enhance your decision making with the evidence-based data that we include from over 300 research papers.
The MAT assessment process will help you create new services and packages that are assessment-based so that you can really stand out from the competition, becoming that go-to movement professional in your community. You'll also have exclusive access to our MAT Level 1 community so that you can interact with us, the MAT team, as well as other users from around the world. After completing the MAT course Level 1, you'll also have the option to upgrade your learning experience with a live one-day workshop that will help take that learning experience and that MAT assessment process to the next level.
The live component of the MAT Level 1 course allows you to get some hands-on practical experience. We'll also go through specific case studies and some ideas for some new sessions and strategies that you can implement into your business the very next day.
So you'll have the opportunity to be able to practice and really master that process so that you can feel 100% confident in the way in which you perform your assessments.
After teaching thousands of people around the world our MAT assessment approach, we're so confident in the outcomes it'll provide to you and your patients and clients that we've even included a 30-day money-back guarantee. Sign up to the MAT course today and find out why thousands of other health and fitness professionals from all around the world are utilising the MAT and our approach with their patients and clients.